Miami nightlife isn't just a party, it's an experience. If you're here to drink overpriced cocktails in a basic club, you're doing it all wrong. But if you want the best bars, wildest clubs, and rooftops with insane views, this is the only guide you need. First, let's talk rooftops. You're in Miami, so you need a spot with jaw-dropping views and cocktails that hit just right. Sugar at East Miami is the move. Think lush greenery, skyline views, and drinks so smooth you'll forget they're dangerous. Pro tip, get there before sunset. If you want something with a little more heat, Astor in Wynwood brings Mediterranean vibes, live DJs, and a crowd that knows how to party. Now, let's turn up the energy. You can't talk about Miami nightlife without mentioning LIV. This is where celebrities, top DJs, and Miami's elite come to party. Lights, music, energy, it's an experience. But here's the catch. If you don't have a VIP table or know someone at the door, expect a long wait. Want an alternative? Story in South Beach brings the same crazy energy but with a slightly less exclusive crowd. But if you're looking for the most insane party in the city, there's only one answer: E11 Even. This place is not just a club, it's a 24/7 no-rules, full-throttle experience. Live performances, dancers, aerialists, top-tier DJs. This place does not slow down. If you walk out of E11 Even before sunrise, you did it wrong. Let's switch it up. Maybe you're not in the mood for a high-profile club scene. Maybe you want something underground, something raw. That's where Floyd comes in. No bottle service flexing, no touristy crowds, just deep house, techno, and a dance floor that never stops moving. Want something even more exclusive? Miami has a secret: hidden speakeasies that only locals know about. Ever heard of a club inside a taco shop? Bodega looks like a casual taco spot from the outside, but step through the hidden door and you're in a high-energy bar with DJs spinning until late. And if you're looking for the perfect way to end the night, Blackbird Ordinary is where you go. No cover, no ridiculous drink prices, just great music and a packed dance floor. It's where the real Miami crowd ends up when they're done with overpriced clubs. That's Miami nightlife done right. No tourist traps, no wasted time, just the best spots in the city. The only question now is, where are you starting your night?